Choosing the right TEFL or TESOL course can change your life forever. Your teaching journey begins here. Are you torn between studying at home or traveling abroad for your certification? Let's explore your options now. In-class TEFL courses offer an immersive experience that blends theory and practical training. Discover the benefits of hands-on learning. Imagine spending 4 weeks in a vibrant location, planning and teaching real ESL classes. Immediate feedback helps you grow. On the other hand, online TEFL courses provide unmatched convenience, allowing you to study at your own pace. Could this be the perfect fit for you? With up to 6 months to complete your course, these online certifications cover essential teaching skills comprehensively. Your future awaits. The 120-hour TEFL certification opens doors for teaching English worldwide. What could be more rewarding than sharing knowledge globally? If you seek specialization, options like teaching business English or teaching English online can elevate your career. Are you ready to stand out? Looking for an advanced certification? The diploma-level course combines fundamental training with specialized knowledge, ensuring you excel. No matter your learning style, ITTT caters to you with package deals and combined courses. Let's unlock your potential together.